Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you a cool new feature within the customer administration portal, and it is your BLF Manager, and it uses AI. So the first thing you want to do when you come into the portal is come over to location and choose your location. And then you will have your list of extensions here. And over on the right-hand side, you'll see a new column that says AI Extent. And then there's a button there. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the BLFs for Aquaman here. And it opens up a new window. And towards the top, it'll give you some information, status of the phone, the MAC address, the model, if park notifications are on. There's also a discard button and a save button as well. So here you'll have current BLFs. If there's any BLFs that are currently assigned, you will see them there. And then over on the right, you have a list of available users. So you can drag and drop your users over here and the list. You can also drag and drop to reorder as well. So that's pretty cool. It's something I've been wanting within the BLF section. You can hit this red button here to remove the BLF and it'll show up back over here in available users. You can also just hit this green plus button and that will add the BLF over to the side as well. Now, here in this box, you'll see that it has a record of all changes that have been made. Once you're satisfied with this, make sure that you hit the save button up here so that way it's saved to the phone. But you can also tell it to do some commands here. So if I wanted to, I could say remove all. And it will remove all the BLFs and put them back over here. And then I could say assign all. And it assigns them back over here. Again, after any changes and you're good with what is currently set for BLFs, make sure you hit the save button up here. And another thing you can do here is you can copy settings. So if I wanted to, I could copy settings to a different extension. So I'm gonna copy them over to Rogue. It takes just a few seconds and then success. The BLFs have been copied over to extension 98. So this is the BLF Manager. Let us know if you have any questions at all. Have a great day.